Hey there, folks! Discovering exciting and yes, even funny products to dropship nowadays is like hitting the jackpot. And trust me, I've been there. As an 8-figure Josh in the e-commerce world, I've sifted through countless products and methods. In this video, I'm going to unveil the absolute best and most efficient way to uncover those gems. I've been using this method for my product research, and it's responsible for my current success. With one of my stores pulling in a whopping 15,000 euros a day, that's about $16,000 to $17,000 in good old US dollars, and I've got big plans to scale it even further. But hold on, folks. This isn't just for the seasoned pros. Whether you're a newbie, intermediate, or an expert in the game, you can harness the power of this method, and guess what? It's completely free. Now, forget the old-school approaches you've heard of, like scouring AliExpress, Alibaba, or even TikTok for product ideas. The reality is everyone's doing it, and you're pretty much just taking wild guesses based on gut feelings. What I'm about to show you is a game changer. It's all about data. With data, you don't have to guess whether a product will be a hit. You'll know before you even start selling. So we've got a fantastic tool called Joshua.io that can show you the sales revenue of products. Let's take a look at how it works. Imagine you're scrolling through your social media feed and you spot an ad for a peculiar product. Let's say an inflatable waterbed for $40. Now, how much do you think the seller is making with this? I'll give you 5 seconds to guess. But wait, let's look at the stats on Joshua.io. Boom, over $100,000 in sales revenue, and they started selling it just in June. The numbers don't lie, folks. Now that you know the key factor in selecting your next product, let's dive into the nitty-gritty details. But before we do that, make sure you have the Joshua.io Chrome extension installed. It's a lifesaver for product research. If you don't have it yet, you should definitely get it. Now we're going to hit Facebook. Click on the Dropship.io extension icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to turn on Show Ads and Auto Scroll. This will filter out everything else and show you the ads you need. It's the most organic way to discover products because you're seeing the ads that are currently working. These sellers have done all the heavy lifting. They've tested the products, created ads, and now they're profitable. You just have to find the winners. After a few hours, you'll have thousands of ads saved. Once that's done, click the See Ads button and voila! A dashboard with all the ads you've collected. You can filter and sort them to find the most interesting ones. Look at this bikini ad. Over 25 million views but very little engagement. Strange, right? Sometimes, sellers use the same post ID for multiple campaigns, which can mess with engagement metrics. But, moving on. This ad looks intriguing, with over 25 million views and decent engagement. Let's check it out. It's an ad for a product that changes color when it gets wet. The ad is engaging, and the product has that wow factor. But it's seasonal and might have sizing issues, not my cup of tea. However, here's another ad with over 25 million views, and the product is in demand. Let's dive deeper. The product page is well designed, and it has a whopping 1,800 reviews. Social proof at its finest. Time to check the sales revenue, but to do that, I'll click the Shop Now button. The product page looks polished, and they have an impressive number of reviews. But we want to know the sales revenue, right? This is where Joshua.io shines. Just sign in and you'll have access to all the juicy details. This seller is making over $10,000 a day with this product. Shocked? I was too. Now, to add a final layer of validation, I hit the Start Tracking button and check out historical sales revenue. This store has generated over $950,000 in the last 6 months, with consistent sales. So, there you have it. A winning product found in just a matter of minutes using this strategy. You can't go wrong with it, and remember, luck plays a part, but to maximize your success, make sure your store, product pages, ads, and offers are top-notch. Quick recap. Find the product, study the market, build a great store, create a killer ad, and start selling. That's my recipe for success. If you want to see the other parts of the process, drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome content. Take care for now.